So today I've come to talk to you about something really interesting, and it is about increasing your luck surface area. Now, when I tell you this, what do I mean by that? It means that we say things like some people are really lucky, oh, some people have it all together, oh, some people have it all sorted. But do you ever question the fact that luck is basically a function of what you put out into the universe? So yes, I understand there are some situations where people do become unlucky and face obstacles and face a lot of problems in their life. But if you want to increase the chances of winning in life, you've got to put yourself out there. Now, let's say opportunities are something that that come to people if they put themselves out there a lot often and do it more consistently. I'll give an example from my life. I have always tried to make content and put myself out there and show up in these videos, put up my product videos, write stuff. And something, this has increased my luck surface area. I'll tell you how. Because I have got writing opportunities with clients for my copywriting work just because I chose to write every day and I chose to put that work out on LinkedIn as well as on Facebook. So I just don't do it for the sake of doing it. It is because I want to increase my luck surface area. The next thing that I do is when I create art, I just don't let it stay in my gallery. I put it out there. I show it to people like this is the work I have been doing. And guess what? For the last 8 years, all the orders that I have got or all the products that I have been sold like through people, I have not run any paid ads or I have not done any performance marketing as of now. Whatever orders, whatever products I have sold, it has been like purely through putting my work out there and showing people what products I have been creating. So if you have been doing incredible work, you've got to tell people that you are doing that. And that's how people are going to spread that. There's word of mouth. All the customers I have got is through word of mouth. One person buying the product, spreading it to the next person, telling the next person about what this person has done, and they have then purchased something. So whatever I have done over the past 8 to 9 years, it's purely because of sharing word of mouth communication. And that is how my luck surface area has been expanding ever since. The third thing that I have always been doing is I love speaking. So and imparting little snippets of knowledge here and there for people. And I thought, why not start making some incredible videos, these simple videos which may not be perfect, may not be edited well, or it must be having some background noise, it must be having some, it's not a professional editing work that is going on. But I always choose to speak for 2-3 minutes, no matter what it is, and practice. So this has been a practice for me, as well as I have actually bagged a speaking opportunity because of putting my videos out there and got a chance to speak at my alma mater, which is St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, just because I chose to show up through these videos. And ma'am approached me and she asked me to speak to the students out there. Sarkhel ma'am did that, and I'm so glad because ma'am gave me the opportunity for that, and I got to go there and speak in front of so many students. It was amazing. And I don't know how this opportunity came through, but I feel that if I put myself out there and if I make more videos, make more content, that's how you show up and that's how you increase your chances of getting great opportunities. So don't feel scared to come forward and don't feel scared to offer something to the world, because the world needs your magic and the world needs what you have to offer them. So trust me on this one and go ahead.